Hi, and welcome to my channel, Senior Shape. This is a great 10-minute full body strength training workout for you. So just 10 minutes. We're gonna work the whole body, including the core. Everything's in a standing position. It's a great workout to do on its own if you're short on time or adding on to any other workout. Also make sure that you are warmed up ahead of time. This workout does not have a dedicated warm up or cool down. I'm using 4 pounds for today's workout. Always start lighter if you're unsure, or you could also go heavier and maybe just do fewer repetitions of the moves. Starting with the feet directly underneath our hips. Palms are facing each other. Roll those shoulders down and back, soft bend in your knees, and then core is engaged. Lifting both hands up to a V and then back down. Press those shoulders down and back. And try not to go too much higher than shoulder height. Nice slow and controlled moves. We've got 5 more like this. For 3, 2, and last one. Next move, we're coming to a squat. Feet are underneath those hips, toes facing forward. Hands stay at our sides. Shift your weight to the back of your heels. You should be able to wiggle your toes. We come down as far as your knees allow. Press back up. Arms come up to a double overhead press and back down. Tummy stays in, and make sure the back is nice and flat so we're not rounding at all. If your knees don't love squats, just keep it smaller. You could even do maybe a calf raise as a modification instead. And press up. Shift those hips back. And lower. And down. Press it up. Weight in the heels. All right, now that you've done a few, can you go a little bit lower? Keep that core engaged. Belly's button pulled into the spine. Down, press up. Overhead. If it's too much for your shoulders, maybe just do one hand at a time. We've got 2 more. Down, press up. Last one. Nice work. Coming into so bicep curls, palms facing in. So hammer curls, we're gonna go 3, 2, 1. Keep the weights up. We shift our hips back again, and then tricep kickback. 3, 2, and 1. Leave them down. Again, hammer curl. 3, 2, and 1. Hold them up. Shift the hips back. Elbows nice and high. Tricep kick back. Push those shoulders down and back. Lower and stand up. 3, 2, 1. Hinge. Back for 3, 2, and 1. Keep it going. 3, 2, and 1. Flat back hinge. Back for 3, 2, and 1. Stand up. Biceps. Hold it. Hinge. Back for 3, 2. Really extend those elbows. Make them nice and straight. And stand up. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. 2 more times. Hinge. Back for 3, 2, and 1. Last time. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Hinge. Back for 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Giving our arms and shoulders a break. We're going to come into a nice wide position here, toes and knees to the corners. And let's just put the weights at our hips here. Sumo squat, so those knees are coming out in the same direction of those toes. We bend down, again, push up through those heels. Down and left. Little hinge here at the hips, but not as much as a regular squat. These sumo squats are great for the inner thighs. Also still working the quads and the glutes. Down, squeeze those glutes. Down, press and squeeze. Again, only go as low as you are comfortable. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Let's get into that core. Lower the left hand, raise the right up overhead. Tummy is in, we're leaning directly to the side, and then lift straight back up. So we're using the side of our waist here, that oblique, and a little bit of the front, the rectus abdominis, to pull ourselves up. So you should be able to feel those muscles working. Side and left. 1 more here. And reach. Beautiful job. Before we do the other side, 1 more set of those sumo squats. Here we go. Down and left. Nice proud chest. Shoulders down and back. Remember to push through those heels. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Left arm comes up, and we slide that arm down, and big reach up. Inhale, exhale as we come up. Really reach down and left. Making sure again that that core is tight, our belly button is pulled in so we're not using our lower back. Let's do 1 more here. And left. Nice job. We're gonna toe heel in here just a bit. Palms facing in. We're gonna extend the the arms out to the side. Flip the palms up. Bring the elbows in, back out, and lower down. So keep the palms up to the ceiling. In, extend out, and lower down. Push those shoulders down and back. And lower. Lift. Elbows in, extend out to the side, lower down. Out. In. Are you breathing? Are you happy you only have 4 pounds? Or lighter? 2, 3 pounds, 1 pound, you're still gonna feel this. Lift. I'm happy I only have 4 pounds. Let's do 2 more. Side, in, out, and lower, out, in, back out, and lower down. Beautiful job. Coming into a lunge. So it's a little bit easier because we're a standard lunge here, a stationary lunge. So we're keeping everything, not a lot of movement. Come up onto that back toe, and you can modify this again as big or as little as you want. Doing a bicep curl. So that back knee, both knees are going to bend, back knee comes towards the floor, chest stays nice and high, weight is in that front heel, and we're going to bicep curl. So we go down, push it up. Weight in that front heel again, that's going to take the pressure off the knees. Or maybe you're just doing a little baby micro bend. Down, push up, down, push up. We only have 4 more. This is also a great balance challenge. And 2. And 1. Let's quick switch feet. And always hold on to a chair if you need to as well. Here we go. Down. Lift. Remember to switch that weight. Push through that front heel. Nice and slow and controlled. You should be feeling this in your glutes and in your thighs. Final 4, 3, then we just have 1 more exercise. Last 2, last 1, Feet coming back underneath those hips. Core is engaged. We're gonna hinge forward as much as you're comfortable with. Hands are down, squeezing that back, arms come out to the side, and then we lower down. Shift your hips back. It's a nice proud chest. Squeeze that upper back. This is it. These are so good for our posture. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on back up. That's it. You want more? Do this whole video again one more time for a second, maybe even a third set. And I will go ahead and link a cool down stretching video to this video as well. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.